Today we learn the sacred autumn truth. Dogs are just tiny roommates who don't pay rent but do steal your sweet potato.
And we're letting them, within reason. Welcome to Chew on This. My name is Mimi from Mimi's Organic Eats. I'm a baker, recipe developer, and crazy dog mom.
And I'm John Dunn, taste tester, mama's boy, and professional eater, some might say.
In each mini episode, we're going to chat about people food, dog food, and how to make one kitchen work for both.
And I ask the hard questions, like if a pumpkin spice latte falls in the forest, does a golden retriever really appear?
Not if there's nutmeg in it. We're sharing dog-friendly tips. John's going to take off his headphones. We're sharing dog parent tips about fresh food. But every dog is different, so be sure to check with your vet if your pup has any dietary needs.
Translation: if your Frenchie is keto, maybe consult a professional. These guys have it hard, bro.
Today we're talking about fall foods that you can share with your dog. Rapid fire style.
I'll also provide unnecessary commentary.
John, you pick the food, I'll give the verdict. Ready? Go.
Pumpkin.
Plain, cooked, pureed, awesome for your dog. No seasoning, no spices, just plain. Feel free to give it to them every single day. Small dogs, 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. Larger dogs, you can do 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Right, John?
She hides it in my granola and thinks I don't know, but I do. I eat it every day. It's delicious. Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes, awesome for your dog. Make sure to peel them and cook them thoroughly. The skin can upset your dog's stomach, so you don't want to give them the skin.
The yam they actually yammer for. But jokes aside, this is my favorite carb. Like seriously, guys, I eat it every day.
What's next?
Apples.
Your favorite. Apples are a wonderful fruit to share with your dog. They absolutely love them, don't you?
Organic Cosmic Crisp only. I'm expensive every day.
Just make sure that you don't give your dog the seeds or the core. Okay, next.
Green beans and carrots.
Both of these veggies are awesome for dogs. See which one your dog likes.
Green beans I could do without, but I love me some carrot.
You can serve carrots raw, but be sure to gently cook the green beans. Just keep them free of seasoning and spices, and you are all good. Okay, what's next?
Thanksgiving turkey. Ooh, my favorite.
Your favorite. If you have Thanksgiving turkey, you can share a little bit with your dog. Make sure to pull from inside the bird where there hasn't really been any seasoning or spices or any sort of oils rubbed on. A couple bites at dinner is fine. But you can also cook your dog their own turkey breast that is free of spices.
If it's herb buttered, that's people food, guys. But if you have RSF, like me, then you can get your mom to cook you your own turkey that's free of seasonings. I do this every Thanksgiving. It's pretty easy.
It's true. I do. I cook him his own turkey every Thanksgiving. I just do like one large turkey breast for him that's free of everything, and he loves it. We even have a full recipe video on how to cook Thanksgiving dinner for your dog. We'll link it in the description. What's next?
Cranberries.
Ah, yes. These are not John's favorite, but you can give your dog cranberries. They're a little bit tart though.
Pucker power. These are not my favorite fruit. Where's the apple, Mom?
See if they like them by chopping them up into small pieces and add into their food. We're on a podcast. You have to wear the headphones. That's how it works. Okay, what's next?
Oats.
Oats, yes. Oats are awesome for dogs. Just make sure that they're plain and thoroughly cooked. You can cook them with hot water just like you would oats for you. Just make sure they're not too hot when you give them to your dog. And you can also make granola.
Mom makes my pumpkin granola every week, and I eat it year-round.
Yeah, I know. I make your granola for you every week, and you love it.
I guess you could say I am an autumn.
Speaking of granola, we had to bribe our other host here. He's getting hungry. So while you're eating a little snack, let's just go over a couple of foods that you should avoid for your dog during this fall season. Obviously, the big two no-nos, grapes and raisins, avoid those for your dogs all the time. Onions, leeks, garlic, also avoid. And nutmeg is actually pretty toxic to dogs and can be in a lot of pumpkin spice flavored things. So you want to make sure you're avoiding nutmeg.
So no PSL puppuccino with extra nutmeg?
Yes, that's right. No PSL for you. But you can make our dog-friendly whipped cream and make your own pup cups at home. We'll link that recipe in the description. We're going to talk about how you can share some of your favorite fall foods with your dog.
This is basically her Olympics, people. Get ready.
So the first one we're going to mention is actually what John's eating right now, this pumpkin granola for dogs. I make this for him every week, and it's human friendly. You can also eat it too. It's still delicious. It's got a little bit of honey in there. You can mix this up for your dog with a little bit of plain Greek yogurt and some dog-friendly fruits like apples and blueberries. Then you can also make a bowl for yourself with some Greek yogurt. You can top yours with a little bit of maple syrup and, of course, fresh fruit.
It's called lunch, everyone. Get on board.
Green beans and carrots for two? So easy. Saute up some green beans and carrots in just a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of olive oil is totally fine for your dog. Then remove a little bit of the veggies, and then you can add a little bit of salt and add some toasted nuts onto yours.
Hold the spices. No nutmeg, no onion, or garlic.
And then one of our favorite fall snacks, apple and peanut butter.
Organic Cosmic Crisp
Yes,
only.
only Cosmic Crisp apples. These are John John's favorite. Just be sure that your peanut butter is free of added sugars, oils, and especially xylitol, as that's super toxic to dogs.
You didn't invent this, but it's my favorite one, so I'll hype it up.
Always make sure to introduce new foods slowly to your dog and check with your vet if your dog has any stomach sensitivities. That's a wrap on episode 1 of Chew on This.
Next time, can dogs detect when you open the pantry from 3 rooms away? Spoiler alert, yes they can.